Assalamualaikum and good day. We are from Group 5. We present on topic quality approach of matrix diagram, prioritization matrix and quality functional deployment. The quality approach is structure method used to identify, analyze and improve processes to meet customer requirements. This approach is commonly practiced under frameworks such as TQM, Lean and continuous improvement. It also emphasizes data-driven decision-making using quality tools such as matrix diagram, prioritization matrix, and QFD. Why matrix diagram, prioritization matrix, and QFD? These three tools help teams organize complex information clearly. The matrix diagram helps identify relationship between factors. Prioritization matrix helps teams decide which action should be taken first based on importance and impact. While QFD connects the voice of customer to technical requirements, ensuring that the design truly meets customer needs.
I will explain three important quality tools: the matrix diagram, the prioritization diagram, and QFD. First, the matrix diagram. This tool helps us see the relationship between two or more sets of items. It looks like a table that shows whether the relationship is strong, medium, or weak. We use it when we want to understand how different factors are connected. Next, the prioritization diagram. This tool helps us decide which task or problem should come first. When we have many issues, we score or compare each and one of the highest score becomes the top priority. This makes decision making easier and more organized. Lastly, QFD, which stands for Quality Function Deployment. QFD helps us translate customer needs into actual design or actual requirements. The main tool used is the House of Quality. It helps us understand what customer want and how we can deliver it through technical or service solution.
My name is Iqbal bin Gati. I want to presenting about history of matrix diagram, prioritization diagrams, and quality functional deployment. First, looks the matrix diagrams. Matrix diagram was created in Japan in the 1970s by Mizuno and Akao. It is help the companies to understand the relationship between different factors. This tool was widely used in the 1980s. Second, prioritization diagram. Prioritization diagram originated in Japan in the 1980s. It is one of part of the seven management and planning tools, and helps team to choose the best option by a scoring method. Lastly, quality functional deployment or QFD. QFD was developed between 1966 and 1972. It was first used at Mitsubishi Shipyard and later adopted by Toyota and Nissan. QFD became popular in USA and Europe. These tools are used to convert customer need to technical features.
This is application case 1, which is the use of the matrix diagram. For my part, I will explain the problem, how the tool was used, the result, and the journal step 1. So based on the problem statement from the slide, in this case show the manufacturing company was facing many product defects where didn't know which factor influencing the defect the most. So there were many process factor and machine parameters, so it was difficult to clearly see the relationship between the factor and the defect types. So they need a method to analyze the relationship among all the factor more clearly. So to solve this issue, the company used a matrix diagram. The matrix diagram help compare several factors in one tables, and we can see whether the relationship are strong, medium, or weak. From this case, they list the process factor, machine parameters, and types of defect. Then they fill in the symbol such as strong, medium, or weak relationship to identify which factor had the biggest impact on the defect. With this metric, the team could prioritize which factor need the improvement first. From the metric analysis, they found a very strong relationship between temperature variation and surface defects. This means unstable temperature was the main cause of the defects. The metric also helps them to identify two critical factors that cause of around 70% of the defects. So after take all the corrective action, the rate of the defects will decrease. And there are several journal studies that support the use of the metric diagram.
Application prioritization matrix. Problem is the organization faced slow customer response times and increasing complaints. There were many possible improvement options, making it difficult to decide which action should be implemented first. Therefore, a prioritization matrix was used to select the most impactful and feasible solution. Key and how it was applied. The team listed several improvement options such as introducing a customer relationship management system, staff training, hiring new staff, and automating frequent asked questions through chatbot. They then developed weighted criteria including impact on speed, implementation cost, feasibility, and customer value. Each option was scored, multiplied by its weight, and then summed. The option with the highest score was selected as the most effective action to implement first. The results show that the CRM system received the highest score, around 76 to 80%. After implementation, the average response time decreased by 50 to 60%. Customer satisfaction increased significantly, and complaints dropped within the first quarter. This demonstrates that using the prioritization matrix allows the organization to make a well-supported and effective decision.
The problem statement quality function deployment is to identify and fix survey gaps in the hotel. ServQual results show the hotel performance lower than its branch, and guests were dissatisfied with tangible and equipment assurance and empathy. Because there was no structured way to translate customer needs to improvement, QFD was applied as a systematic method to enhance service quality and move the hotel toward 5-star standard. The quality function deployment process was done in 3 phases. First, the House of Quality collected 22 customer requirements using ServQual, and AHP was used to calculate important weight along with competitor comparison. Second, these needs were converted into measurable service characteristics. Finally, an action plan was created, including internet upgrade, new TV system, more service channel, voicemail installation, and staff training. From the QFD implementation, several improvements were achieved. The hotel installed high-speed broadband, introduced a voicemail system, upgrade the laundry area with a new washing interactor, and play enhancement for TV screen and international channel.